This is how to fix Spiderman 2 crashing. For the first step, you should go to the search and type in Device Manager and then open this application right here. Now you need to go to Display Adapters, open that, go to your graphics card, right click on it and select Update Driver. Now click the first option, after that click Close. For the next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Depends on what graphics card you have, so you will find the NVIDIA app displaying. If not, you should go to their official website and you will surely find it right there. Make sure to set it up, download it, and then come back here. After that, go to Drivers on the left menu and make sure to select the download or install button appearing in this place. Next, go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. For the next method, go to the Windows icon. After that, click on settings. Now you need to go to Windows Update. After that, you need to download and install all the available updates to prevent any issue to occur. Once done, you should go to the Windows taskbar, click this upside arrow, and then you will find most likely the Steam icon appearing like this. Right click on it and select Exit Steam. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, relaunch the game launcher. You'll be redirected to the store. Go to the top left corner, select the Steam icon. After that, go to settings. From here, you need to go to the in-game in the left menu and then make sure to switch off the first option, which is Steam overlay. Next, go to the view option and select library. In the left menu, look for your game, which is Spiderman 2. The game must be installed, so once you select it, click on this gear icon, click on properties, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish till the end so it can recover and restore all the missing or corrupted files that are possibly causing the crashing issue that you're facing, and hopefully the problem should be solved. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.